I want to scan a document using GeniusScan. So let's open the app and press the Add button, the plus in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you do that, you'll see an option to scan from camera. Then, line up your page, and once it's set, take a photo. You can do this as many times as you like. It will add more and more pages as you go. Just for fun, I'll take that photo again with the page on an angle. GeniusScan will fix it up for you. Once you're finished, press the Done button. You can now flick through your pages to check the document. This last page I took twice, so I'd like to get rid of it. You can use the Enhance tool to delete it. While we're here, let's have a look at some of the other options. One option is to recrop. Another option is to rotate. You can also change it to colour if you want to by using the filters. But I'll just leave it at black and white. Now for the tricky bit. We want to export the document off to OneNote or to Teams. To do that, we want to use the Share button in the bottom right hand corner. Notice how it's only 77 kilobytes, the whole reason we're using the scanning app. It's tiny compared to a photo. In the free version, you can share via email or other apps. The other options aren't available. If you click Other Apps, you'll see the options. I'm going to use OneNote and then select where I want to send it and hit Send. It's that easy. Okay, to upload the Teams is a little trickier. What you have to do is select Other Apps, but this time you actually need to save it to a file system. You can use any folder, but I'm going to use the Documents folder, and then press Add. Once you've done that, it's time to switch to the Teams app. Open it up and find the team that you're a member of. Go to Assignments and find the assignment that you are trying to upload to. At this point, you're ready to upload your work. Click Add Work. Now upload from this device. Browse. Select your file and upload it. Once you're finished, hit Done. If you want to, you can have a look at it by clicking on it. And if you're happy, don't forget to hand it in on the top right hand corner.